Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on the 8-ball pool game. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the 8-ball pool game on your device. And once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into the home screen. Now, once you're on the home screen, in order to change your country, simply tap on your account icon at the top left corner, and then you will find your username as well as the country at the left side of your name. If you have created your game account using a Miniclip ID, then you can tap on this and change your country as well. However, if you didn't do it, then go back and tap on the settings option at the bottom left corner. From there, you can simply scroll down and tap on the logout button and then proceed with logging in using a Miniclip ID. Simply tap on login with Miniclip and then proceed with logging into your account using your email address and your password. If you don't have a Miniclip ID, you can simply create a new one and then choose the desired location for your country in the selection menu. And once you log in with your Miniclip ID, your location will be changed based on your account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your country on the 8-ball pool game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.